And this is a Diamond Club luxury room. So this is available in one king or two queens. Yes, two queens. So a little bit of extra space if you need it. Love the beautiful decor. Colors are great. Little table, little sofa, table and chairs with a little bubbly. And I'll pan down here and you can see that there is a storage area for any suitcases, television, and an amenity bar. You have your coffee, some wine, your mini fridge down there as well. Look at the beds. And here you have one of the closet with the sliders, a couple robes, some hangers. I'll open the other side here. Some more hanger space, steamer, safety deposit box, and slippers. And this is the washroom area. You've got a lovely vanity here with a single sink, towel storage below. And in here, you've got toilet and a shower space, beautiful rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle. And I should note, it does have a fully closing door as well. So if you need some privacy, you can close that door and get that. This is a look at a Diamond Club luxury room with two queen beds.